It's fall
Thanks.
over here, unfortunately, so that's why we're right here.
Yeah. All right. Well, yeah, you want to carry this for me, Ryan, so I don't. Oh. I gotta wait for everybody to get off. These are Mitsubishi Crystal Mover trains. Oh, still waiting. All right. These are MIA, or not MIA, that's Miami. These are Mitsubishi Crystal Mover trains. This is the first one that I have seen. At least I think they are. I will have to look at that. Ian, you're blocking my view of the doorway.
Yeah, have a seat.
No, that's not a seat.
The doors are closing.
Easy way to tell if it's a Mitsubishi is how hard the doors slam shut. Oh, not very.
For your safety,
Oh, but yeah, this isn't Mitsubishi because it's got the side rail.
Firmly at all times.
Crystal Movers.
Next stop is the economy parking station. This train is bound for the rental cars and public bus station. Smoking is not permitted within the train system.
This thing gets up to 40 miles an hour. It'll pick up the pace after it hits a turn. Can't take the turns at any more than 30. Faster than the traffic on the road. Wow, these things are fast. I think this is brand new too. Most of them say don't lean on the doors. Technically you can, they just don't advise it.
We are approaching the economy parking
That was the
station.
first flight.
The doors will be opening. This train is bound for the rental cars and public bus station.
That was the first flight for that plane?
No.
Oh, okay. 2 weeks? How many doors do they have? Yeah, this is the first station. We gotta go to the end station. Which is good, then I have a video. I don't need to retake it.
Economy parking station. Please gather your belongings and exit the train.
So this is called Skyconnect.
The doors are closing. We are about to depart. For your safety, please stand clear of the doors and hold handrails firmly at all times. Next stop is the rental cars and public bus station. This will be the final stop. Smoking is not permitted within the train system. We are approaching the rental cars and public bus station. The doors will be opening. This is the final stop.
I'm thinking we're gonna turn. I can't tell with these though. Yes, we are turning.
Rental cars and public bus station. The doors are opening. This is the final stop. Please use other platforms.
Cool. Well, that is one awesome train. I never used to like the Mitsubishi systems, but hey, you know, those are nice. I will say that.